Hung up. I sure am. God, no. I'm on something or no. I got something. It's coming. Woo, whatever it is. Good. God. Woo. Watch, it'll be a little fish hook. Or a tree branch. It's coming. Slowly. Yeah. Well, I can officially say I got my first bicycle. Been down there for a minute. Folks are all gone. All right, y'all bear with me. I'm gonna get out of the frame. I gotta pull it up. There's the bicycle. That was a good little pull out there. Handle's broke. Like I said, been down there a minute. Spokes and everything's broken. So